Zen Samurai, a top-range e-bike, has the best in-line, top-shelf component offerings to make for a great user experience. The Samurai models are available in base and premium versions. Let's explore some of the interesting and unique features in this video. Welcome to Zen e-bike. Samurai has Bosch Generation 4 motor of 2.9 kilograms, UL certified. Lightest motor offers you the best weight to performance ratio. The microcontroller located on the inside of the motor measures torque from pedals, cadence of the ride and speed of the bike so accurately that results in extremely quick response from the motor. Its 85 Nm output torque helps you to climb the steep hills easily without overheating the motor due to magnesium internals used for the excellent heat dissipation. Enviolo gear hub for the base model and Kindernay for the premium offers riders a resilient, maintenance-free hub, with effortless shifting of gears allowing you to cycle at your exact desired cadence in any ride conditions. 500 watt-hour lightest, UL certified lithium-ion Bosch battery can give a realistic range of 90 kilometers, depending on the rider. With a dual battery of 1000 watt-hour, the range doubles up to 180 kilometers. Gates CDX carbon belt drive uses advanced polyurethane chemistry enabling resistance to weather, oxidation and wear. Internal carbon tensile cords provide the belt's incredible core strength so that it could last longer, up to 10,000 kilometers of ride time with very low maintenance. The 128 curvilinear tooth profile maximizes the engagement between belt and sprocket with minimum amount of friction and offers a smooth ride. The Gates belt drive is an all-in-one solution that is clean and smooth, addressing the pain points of the oily, rusty, traditional chains seen on many e-bikes. The most important factor that greatly influences rider comfort by absorbing shock from the road is the seat post. Zen custom suspension seat post comes stock on the base model and the Connect on the premium model. These reduce the transfer of high-frequency road vibrations from your bike to your body and dampens the impacts of big hits from the road by flexing the seat post, resulting in a smoother ride. The Samurai come with 3 different categories of displays as shown. Intuvia, for the base model, have 4 different settings of ride. The Eco setting has the lowest assist mode of 50% boost, then Tour, Sport and Turbo has a maximum assist mode of 400% boost. The next is Kiox, for the premium model. The colorful and sleek display has an electronic lock for the safety of an e-bike. Nyon is 3.2-inch high-resolution color display for upgraded Samurai models and has a touchscreen with inbuilt navigation features and fitness check. In this feature one can set their destination of ride on a map. The notification tones draw attention to the next turning of the route, and it can also save the current location for the return journey. The light used in the Samurai base model is Lyzene light with 2 ultra-high output LEDs and optical reflection lenses that delivers output of 1000 lumens. Lumen is the unit of luminous flux, a measure of the total quantity of visible light emitted by a source per unit of time. 1000 lumens are powerful enough to reach a distance of 20 meters or more. Lyzene light is available in 4 different settings like Auto for daytime dimming, Eco, Day Flash, Flash, Enduro and Blast for maximum brightness. The light used in the premium model is Supernova M99 Min Pro with a polished mirror surface that reflects the light of 10 automotive LEDs and creates a high visible radiant beam of 1400 lumen light. It has 2 settings, low beam and high beam. This will help you to see objects from a far distance in the dark. Supermoto X Tires for base models have enormous volume and maximum load capacity, and its excellent durability allows for high-performance fast e-bikes. Tires offer versatility on road and light off-road, which makes them a perfect choice for urban e-bikes. Johnny Watt's tires for premium model, off-road oriented, have blocks with large contact area for excellent rolling on hard ground, offers longevity, durability and puncture protection. These tires have high surface traction and low vibration, allowing the rider to move quickly and easily on and off-road. Tires for both base and premium models have pressure of 35 psi for front and 40 psi for rear. Magura CT4 brakes are used on the base model, and the Magura MT5E brakes with 4-piston used on the premium models of Samurai. The MT5E brakes can be installed on the base model as an optional upgrade. For tough points, we have Ergon SFC3 saddles and GP1 grips. The Ergon GP1 grips, which have extremely high UV stability material that makes touchpoint to the rider more comfortable. It also has a lock ring at the end so it does not twist. Samurai base and premium models are available in sparkle red, satin black and electric blue. Custom colors are offered as an upgrade. The perfect frame choice according to your personality is available in small for 4 feet 11 inches to 5 feet 5 inches, medium for 5 feet 6 inches to 5 feet 9 inches, large for 5 feet 10 inches to 6 feet 2 inches, extra large for 6 feet to 6 feet 5 inches. You can also customize your bike with our custom option on our website with all options available. To know more about Zen Samurai, please check out the website. If you're looking for e-bike, please think of us once. Thanks for watching.